Hello and welcome. This is going to be a short mock-up demo leveraging the PDS control plane to provision PDS clusters and services on Amazon. So in this mock-up, I have an accounts tab where users can add in their cloud credentials for their Amazon, VMware, or any of the environments that we support. I can select a cloud account to see the details like the access key and secret key, or I can select add account to provision a new cloud account that we'll be leveraging. So in this case, the customer can add in their own cloud accounts with their access key and secret key. From here, the customer would select PDS and they can observe all of the existing PDS clusters and services. In this case, I have two clusters, one running on Amazon and one running on VMware. If I select Add PDS, I can select for which cloud environment do I want to provision a new PDS cluster. In this example, I'll select Amazon with the cloud account 2 and then click on Deploy. Now, obviously this being a mock-up demo, the user would essentially click on Deploy and then now see the new PDS cluster being provisioned. But behind the scenes, a PDS operations team, they can see what's happening behind the scenes. So if I go into Spectro Cloud into the tenant and click on the clusters tab, you'll notice that exactly at this time, 12:05, a new cluster is being provisioning. And if I select into the cluster, right, we can obviously see the actual workflow, what's happening, how the cluster is being provisioned. But more importantly, once a cluster is provisioned, it will automatically install the Portworx Enterprise solution along with the PDS agent. Now, this entire operation takes around 12 to 15 minutes, but we can jump into an existing cluster that we had provisioned a few days ago. And notice that the exact same cluster profiles are attached. Everything from the Portworx operator to the PDS target and PDS namespace. We also have visibility into the workloads and health of the cluster that's running. But if I log into the PDS control plane, pro.pds, portworx.com, I can select into the settings, click on deployment targets. Notice that the clusters are automatically registered, right, with the name. And from here, once the clusters are registered, the end user can go ahead and provision any new database service. If I want to add a new Redis, select add Redis, type in the name. For deployment target, pick the cluster, the namespace, etc., and then click on deploy.